going to discuss about the rule number 8. So these rules will deals with the shortcut I'm mentioning here with Ravi. Just note down Ravi. You have to remember this word Ravi. If this Ravi means Rahu and Venus association is present in your chart, then there will be strong love marriage yoga. You will have affairs, one or two in your life definitely. So this video Hindi version already present in the playlist section, and when there is a dasha antardasha of Ravi either form, in that case love marriage will happen. So when Venus in your chart, in your Lagna chart, creates a relationship with Rahu, then the love marriage yoga will create. So Venus with Rahu in the 5th house, if both the condition Venus and Ravi is present here, or if Ravi is present here, then the chances of love marriage will increase. After some fluctuations, after some denial by the parents or the families, the Jatak and Jatika will definitely go for the marriage with breaking all the norms and conditions. Not only with this, if Venus and Rahu is present in your 7th house, then also the chances of love marriage will increase. So Venus with Rahu makes a person be really good in acting also, because these yutis such persons can perform entertainment industry very well, and cinematography is excellent way. So if this yoga happens, if this yuti Ravi is formed in your 5th house or in your 9th house, not only by this, by all aspects, if 7th aspects happening also, then there is a case of love marriage yoga. Example, if suppose Venus is present in your 11th house and Rahu is present in your 5th house, then there is expects whatever ascendant you have, it will cause the love marriage yoga. First. Second thing, if suppose Venus is present here, Rahu is present here, then definitely Ketu will be with Venus. This also cause the yoga for love marriage. When this happens, this will happen in the dasha, antardasha, or when the gochar both will revolve around the 1st house and the 7th house. Eventually the marriage will be on the flow. This is the basic logic. Not only with this, if Rahu, you have to check out Rahu and Venus, check the nakshatra. What is the nakshatra of Rahu and what is the nakshatra of Venus? Suppose Rahu is present in the nakshatra of Venus and Venus is present in the nakshatra of Rahu, then also the love marriage yoga will happen. They note down, they are 27 nakshatra, and we are discussing the nakshatra Darkarak, the 7th house lord in the nakshatra playlist section. You can check out every nakshatra. We have mentioned how to remember those nakshatra and what are the impacts on the spouse by the particular nakshatra. So these are the primary condition. Venus Ravi condition, Ravi yoga. This is just a punchline. Ravi, just remember Ravi if it is happening in your D1 chart or in the D9 chart, particularly in the 5th house, 9th house, 11th house, 7th house, then or in the Lagna in the 7th house, then you will have the chances of the love marriage. So we are focusing till now 8 rules, and these rules covered maximum of your comments reply. So it's not always possible for us to reply each and every time. So that's why we are making different small videos and taking all the parameters. And note down, more the parameters, more the number of parameters, more the number of chances for the love marriage happen. So it is not particularly deadlock that if one condition is all on hold, is one condition is working in your chart but other condition not hold, the marriage will not hold. No, this is not. If either one of 8 or in the future the rules obey in your chart and there is no malefic impacts from the 6th, 8th and 12th house lord, in that case marriage will happen. Secondly, the planet should be strong, should not be deviated. The aspects should be auspicious, supportive. In that case the marriage will happen. So that's all for the day. In case you need any consultancy, download Jyotishkar Veda app. You can check out our websites or you can share your charts on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook with Vimshotri Dasha and give us 60 days to reply you, but need to pay attention for your patience. And do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell, because the users complained us that we could not get the notification information because you subscribe but you do not press the bell icon. That's all. So this is a simplest way we are trying to explain you. In the ninth rules we will deal more about Rahu, moon. So for that, have tuned, stay tuned. Jai Shani.